The WHO on Wednesday issued a medical product alert on 4 cough and cold syrups made by an Indian pharmaceutical firm, Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited, warning that they could be potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and the death of 66 children in Gambia. The 4 products are Profethazine oral solution, Cofex Malin baby cough syrup, Makeoff baby cough syrup, and Magrip and cold syrup. The WHO further said that till date, the company has not provided guarantees on the safety and quality of these products. Laboratory analysis of samples of the 4 products confirmed that they contain unacceptable amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol as contaminants. The WHO further said that all batches of the products are being considered unsafe until they can be analyzed by the relevant national regulatory authorities. The Health Ministry, meanwhile, has said that WHO had on September 29th informed the Drug Controller General of India about the deaths in Gambia. A Health Ministry official stated that the CDSCO, or the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, took up the matter immediately with the State Drugs Controller, Haryana. Preliminary findings showed that the company has exported these products only to Gambia so far. The Health Ministry official has also said that the exact one-to-one causal relation of death has not yet been provided by WHO, nor have the details of labels or products been shared by WHO with CDSCO, enabling it to confirm the identity or source of the manufacturing.